So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a short link which is permanent with a destination link that can be changed afterwards whenever needed. So what you have to do, you have to go to this free service which is known as tiny.cc. After you visit, you can see I've already created an account. I'm going to log out of it. After you log out, you will visit this site. After you visit this site, you have to sign up. You can sign up using any username. Like I'll use a random username, and I'll use another Gmail account. And just validate your account. After you validate your account, they'll ask you to log in. You go there and log in. So after you log in, you will see this page. You will set the time zone of your area. Mine will be Asia, Kolkata. Yes, then you submit. After that, you close this pop-up and click on shorten links. You can see you paste a box. You give the big URL, destination URL, like any destination URL from Drive. For like, if you want to create a destination URL for this PDF, you go in the three dots and then share and then share. And after that, you create this access to anyone with link, and then just copy the link. Okay, copied the link, paste the URL here, and give keywords after the slash. Any keyword that must be unique, like Aadhaar, Aadhaar 27. Then you click shorten it. It will then give success, and you can just close it. You can see this link has been created. If you visit this link, this will show my this link. This will show you my Aadhaar, which is in my drive. The main feature of this, if you want to edit the link, you can just go to manage URL and then click on this button, edit link, and then just change the destination link and click save changes. Like if I want to change the destination link, if I can just do this, make this one shareable also, copy the link and just change the URL. You can say change the URL, and I can also change this to you may mark and save the changes. Save the changes. Then you copy this, and you can see you have changed the destination URL, and you can also change the keywords, and it will show the next another page. This is one feature that is not available in Bitly. It's available in Bitly, but you have to purchase their premium pack, and in other services also you have to purchase their premium pack. So this is a free site. You can use this site to shorten links and also edit the destination links. Thank you guys. Please consider to subscribe and like the video.